Next example is a different type of crop. These are grapes, actually. Now, in this particular example, again, this one was in Peru. What we saw here was this region of Peru had a very consistent production from all the different plantations in the region. The average production was between 30 and 34 tons per hectare in terms of the amount of grapes per hectare. Now, in this last year that we did this experiment in 2020, they had 30% less water available for irrigation. There just wasn't the same enough water to irrigate. So they started rationing, and they didn't allow the farmers to use as much. They allowed them an allotment of 30% less water than they did in previous years. So as you can imagine, what happened as a result of that is all the production of all the other plantations reduced their production from about 30 to 32 tons per hectare down to about 20 to 24 tons per hectare. However, even in that water stress environment where there's less water available, the Kyminasi test field increased its production to about 42 tons per hectare. So that's a swing of 75%. So again, all of you guys in California, Oregon, Washington, and other areas that are having major issues with drought, major problems with water availability, or you're really concerned about it, then you really should be looking at this, because this product, this Kyminasi Plant Booster, will allow you to put out a good crop without having to use as much water. And that's going to, of course, save you a lot of money, and it's going to proof you against these types of situations. Sometimes you can't even predict. Sometimes you've been having good years, and all of a sudden one year you have a drought. And if you're not prepared for that, then what do? Well, you don't have the irrigation water, or you have a problem with it, and now you're going to be reducing your production. So the Kyminasi Plant Booster is going to increase and allow you to still get out a good crop even in those lean years.